This is part 6 of creating a detailed circular saw model inside Blender. Let's get started. First, we'll adjust the loop cuts according to the reference, and then extrude. And the shape of this model is now formed. Now, we'll use the mirror modifier. Then, we'll use the knife tool, add a few loop cuts, adjust them, and extrude until our model starts to match the reference. After doing all this, we'll add details to the other side as well, some of which I've already added earlier. Now, we will add details for the motor. The motor hasn't been modeled yet, but we will create it later. Let's fix its topology.